So yun guys, good morning. Ready to ano na mamaya, 1 AM ang high school kami ready na yung upuan ka mag-graduate. So mga award. Happy 18th graduation and confession, recognition, and ceremonies. Yan. Sekarang ini. Okay.